Did you know that more people than ever are switching to a fully vegan diet? Whether it's for ethical reasons, environmental concerns, or health benefits, veganism has gained significant popularity. Vegans eliminate all animal foods from their diet. But now the age-old question is it healthy? In today's episode of Is It Healthy, we're taking a deep dive into the science behind a fully vegan diet. We'll explore its benefits, potential risks, and what the latest scientific research says. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some essential tips for staying healthy on a vegan diet. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. But first, let's look at what a vegan is. A vegan diet is entirely plant-based, meaning no meat, dairy, eggs, or any other animal-derived products. Instead, it focuses on fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. While many people associate veganism with salads and smoothies, a well-planned vegan diet can be diverse and nutritionally rich. There's a growing body of research suggesting that a well-balanced vegan diet can offer multiple health benefits. Let's break down the key advantages. 1. Heart health. One of the most well-documented benefits of a vegan diet is its positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that vegans typically have lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart disease. A 2019 meta-analysis published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that plant-based diets were associated with a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 31% lower risk of death from heart-related conditions. Plant-based foods are naturally lower in saturated fat and higher in fiber, both of which contribute to better heart health. Additionally, fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation, a key factor in heart disease. 2. Lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Several studies suggest that vegans have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that plant-based diets were linked to a 23% reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. This is likely due to the higher intake of fiber, which improves blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Whole plant foods also have a lower glycemic load compared to processed foods, reducing blood sugar spikes. 3. Weight management. Many people who switch to a vegan diet find it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Research shows that vegans tend to have a lower body mass index, BMI, than omnivores. This could be due to the fact that plant-based diets are naturally lower in calorie-dense foods while being rich in fiber, which promotes satiety and reduces overall calorie intake. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that vegan diets led to greater weight loss compared to other diets, including vegetarian and omnivorous diets. So if weight management is a goal, a well-balanced vegan diet could be a great strategy. 4. Reduced cancer risk. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as carcinogenic and red meat as a probable carcinogen. Because a vegan diet eliminates these foods, it may help reduce cancer risk. A review in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics suggests that higher consumption of plant-based foods is associated with a lower risk of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers. Phytonutrients, antioxidants, and fiber found in plant-based foods play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancer. 5. Improved gut health. A diverse gut microbiome is essential for overall health, and fiber-rich plant foods support a healthy gut environment. Studies show that vegans tend to have a more diverse gut microbiome, with higher levels of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help with digestion, boost the immune system, and may even influence mental health through the gut-brain connection. As you can see, there are a lot of benefits to a vegan diet. We want to hear from you. Are you carnivore, omnivore, or vegan? Let us know in the comments below. While a well-planned vegan diet can be incredibly healthy, there are some potential nutritional concerns that need to be addressed. Let's take a look at the key nutrients that vegans need to pay special attention to. 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Since it is primarily found in animal products, vegans are at risk of deficiency. Symptoms of B12 deficiency include fatigue, weakness, nerve damage, and cognitive issues. To prevent this, vegans should consume B12-fortified foods like plant-based milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast, or take a B12 supplement. 2. Iron. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. While plant-based sources of iron, such as lentils, spinach, and tofu, exist, they contain non-heme iron, which is less easily absorbed than heme iron from animal products. To enhance absorption, pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like bell peppers or citrus fruits. Avoid consuming tea or coffee with meals, as these can inhibit iron absorption. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain function and heart health. While fish is a well-known source, vegans can get ALA, a type of omega-3, from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. However, ALA must be converted into the more active forms, EPA and DHA, which isn't very efficient in the body. To ensure adequate intake, some vegans take algae-based DHA supplements. 4. Calcium. Calcium is important for bone health, and while dairy is a primary source, plant-based options like fortified plant milks, tofu, almonds, and leafy greens can provide adequate amounts. 5. Protein. One common concern about vegan diets is protein intake. However, it is possible to get enough protein from plants. Lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, tempeh, and seitan are excellent sources. To ensure all essential amino acids are consumed, vegans should eat a variety of protein sources throughout the day. Is a vegan diet healthy for everyone? While many people thrive on a vegan diet, it may not be ideal for everyone. Some individuals might struggle with nutrient absorption, have higher protein needs, or have specific medical conditions that require dietary adjustments. For athletes, pregnant women, and older adults, careful planning is necessary to ensure nutritional adequacy. Consulting a registered dietitian can be beneficial to tailor a vegan diet to specific needs. So, is a fully vegan diet healthy? The answer is yes, if it's well planned. A vegan diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases, support weight management, and improve gut health. However, it's essential to be mindful of key nutrients like B12, iron, magnesium, omega-3s, and protein. If you're thinking about going vegan, make sure to educate yourself on proper nutrition and consider supplementation where needed. At the end of the day, humans are omnivores for a reason. A well-balanced diet with all kinds of unprocessed foods is shown to be the best option for everyone, excluding people suffering from medical conditions or certain allergies, of course. If you found this video interesting, you might want to see this video. It's the previous episode of Is It Healthy about the carnivore diet. It's always good to research both sides of a certain topic.